Hi guys! So gagawa na kami ngayon ng aming art. Wait, I'll give you something else. Print out lang ako ng photos nila. Umuupo ako sa children's. So ito na print out ako ng pictures. Ito yung binili namin sa Dollar Tree kahapon. So nag-cut out ako. Tapos ilalagay lang natin ang pictures nila dito. At ipapakulay yan sa dalawang bata. So wala pa dito si Mercurion. So ilalagay na muna. So this will be you. And then the other one. Oh, this is Kuya. You wanna help Mommy? Mommy will just use the scissors. Look. Who's this? Kuya. Here it is. So sabi ko may photo paper ako na na-keep even before. So yan, si Zadkiel. At eto si Mercurion. So let us put here. You want to put it inside? Let's see. I think we can put it here. I'll open this one first. Okay. And then you can just take a picture out. And then put this one. Hey guys, ang cute. Look! How about yours? Let's put yours too. May, di ba sa ibang store, parang $5 yung mga ganito. Sa Dollar Tree, $1 lang. So, mas makakasave ka talaga. Tapos marami ka pang pagpipilian. And Mama will put that here. Oopsies. Wait, guys. Yan! Is that cute? Don't remove it. I think we should glue it. Hold on. Wait, that. You can put like glue. So it will not move. Okay. Oh no, did you put something? Okay. You want to help Mommy? Mommy will put Zadko's face. There you go. Yay! You show the guys. Do you like it, Zad? What's that? Is that you? Is that Zadkiel? Okay, show Mommy. Show Mommy.
But I just can't get it right. From loose laces.
Come on, we get more from the last. Here we go.
Ito rin kay Mercurion, pero mamaya na natin kulayan kapag tapos na siya sa school. It's here. It's here. It's the stairs. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Is it dancing sad?
So
Dance, dance.
Health Markets. At healthmarkets.com, you can review plans available to you. And when you have questions,
How to break this Lady Mallard down. Baby, do you know how to do it? Come on. It's like a glove. Ah, yes, it does. That's the support channel. Yes, we're here to breathe. This is Bruce.
Bag? What is the color of your bag? It's blue and it has... What's this? What's this? What's that, Zad? Zad will go to school tomorrow. Yay! Good morning! Good morning mga kahawdies. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog this past few days kasi naging busy kami dahil Thanksgiving at hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog kasi private yung kapatid ni Claude at saka yung anak. Pero yung asawa ng kapatid ni Claude ay Filipina din. So yun guys, busy kami sa paghahanda, pagluluto, and at busy sa pagiging isang ina. So yun, and today magiging busy ulit tayo pero mas different na busy kasi today is yung first day ni Zadkiel sa school. So this past few days, ng mga nakaraang araw, busy tayo sa pagpunta ng school para i-process yung school ni Zadkiel. So, dito sa Amerika, nasabi ko na rin sa ibang vlog ko, hindi mandatory yung pag-school kung saan 3 years old ka. So, nagsistart pa mag-age 4. Yun yung sa public school. Pero, kung gusto nyo naman na pumunta mag-attend ng school yung mga bata, meron tayo dito mga daycare, may mga school din para sa mga bata. Pero alam niyo na kapag private is may bayad. Pero sa public school, i-accept ka nila kapag meron kang disability. So, kung napapansin nyo, katulad ni Mercurian, si Zadkiel merong speech delay. So, kung may mga bata dito sa Amerika na hindi pa nakapagsasalita ng 50 words, ng ganun, dapat kailangan nilang mag-attend ng school para sa kanilang speech delay. Pero, pag-uusapan natin yon next time. So, yun guys. And, kanina maaga ako nagising kasi morning hanggang hapon yung school ni Mercurian. So, sinama siya ni Claude. Hinatid siya ni Claude dahil afternoon, dediretso na lang si Claude sa kanyang trabaho. So, ako naman, afternoon class si Zadkiel. So, yung class niya is from 12 noon hanggang 3. So, sakto, yung dismissal ni Mercurian is 3:15. So, susubukan ko, guys, na pumunta or mag-drive from Zadkiel School going to Mercurian kasi very close lang. 15 minutes lang yung gap. Pero, mas mabuti na lang yun kaysa sa walang gap, diba? Time, hindi pa umandar yung sasakyan ko. So, very busy. So, mabuti na lang okay na yung sasakyan. So, and last few days also, yung schedule ko for dental cleaning, sa deep cleaning. 2 days siyang procedure kasi inuna yung kabilang side ng ngipin ko from this side, tapos ditong side. So, yan, very struggle din dahil each day parang 2 oras ka nakahiga at saka nakabukas yung mouth mo. Pero on the second day, binigyan nila ako ng electric toothbrush. So, yan. Yan. So, si Zadkiel nasa kama kasi kanina ng pagising ko, maaga siyang nagising. So, inunahan niya yung alarm clock ko. So, nagpapa-alarm ako ng 6:25 para gumawa ng lunch ni Mercury na dadalhin sa school. Hello guys! So, last Tuesday is yung meeting namin sa school para kay Zadkiel. So, itong bag, sabi ko in-order namin sa Amazon kasi wala nang display na bag sa store. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung dadalhin namin mamaya. Since ang pasok ni Zadkiel is Thursday, wala na kaming time para bumili ng iba pang school supplies. At saka wala akong list ng school supplies niya. Pero magtatanong tayo sa teacher mamaya. So, ito lang yung prepare ko sa kanya, yung kanyang diaper. Dahil hindi pa rin siya potty trained. Extrang damit, just in case na mabasa yung t-shirt niya or yung shorts niya is meron siyang extrang damit. And then may wipes din pala ako. Kunin ko muna. Itong wipes. Dinagyan ko rin ng pangalan. So mabuti na lang sa store meron silang ganito. So ito na yung magiging water bottle ni Zadkiel. At saka lunchbox. Yan. So ilalagay lang natin sa bag. Sana magkasya. Okay. Para hindi tayo mahirapan mamaya sa pagbitbit. Isang dala na lang. And then lalagay ko rin itong wipes. Ayan. So, yan. And then, so sa weekend, bibili tayo ng mga kakailanganin ni iba pang kakailanganin ni Zadkiel. Okay guys, natapos ko nang i-set up itong AirTag ni Zadkiel. So, meron ding AirTag si Mercurian. So, ito yung parang security lang, no? Kasi maraming incident dito sa amin. Pero, mabuti na meron tayong precaution. So, yan, AirTag. So, nag-invest kami ni Claude nito. So, pero bumili kami sa Amazon nung parang nag-sale sila. So, isang presyo, merong 4 ng AirTags. So, meron pa kaming 2 extra. So, nagamit na namin ang ikalawa. So, para naman to kay Zadkiel. Yung cover ni Mercury is blue. Kay Zadkiel naman is black para may ma-distinguish natin yung 2 AirTags. Nandito si Zadkiel. So, papaliguan ko siya pagkatapos ng kumain. Look at mommy! Say cheese! Say cheese! Say cheese! Hi guys! We arrived in the school! Today is Zadkiel's first day! Are you excited? Excited? Go check in. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Excited? I'll meet you later, okay? Hi guys, so nahatid ko na si Sadya. Hindi ko alam kung anong magiging emosyon ko. I feel for the first time in 3 years na magkakaroon ako ng solo moment. I'm so emotional. Hindi ko lang ini-entertain, pero yan. So, ako lang yung naghatid sa kanya kasi may trabaho si Claude, pero alam ko naman na kakayanin. So, meron na tayong 2 estudyante. I hope na magiging masaya sila at maging safe kasama ang ibang tao. Char! Hello guys! So, kakauwi na natin sa bahay. So, ako na lang mag-isa. Class ni Zadkiel is from 12 noon hanggang 3 PM. So, pupunta tayo doon ng mga 2:40 para mag-drive at ganun. So, yan guys. Ako na lang mag-isa. Minsan, masasabi mo na, kailangan ko ng break. Minsan, masasabi mo na, sana magkaroon ako ng solong time. Pero ngayon na talagang totoo na, nakakamiss din yung 2 bata na magkasama. Pero, I will take this opportunities para maglinis ng bahay. Hello guys, so katatapos ko lang ilagay yung mga damit sa closet na nalabhan ko last time. So ngayon, it's 2:20. So alis tayo ng mga 2:40. Kain muna ako ng mabilisan ng aking lunch. Ito yung aking go-to lunch na yan, Nissin seafood. Kasi malasa siya compare sa ibang noodles. At saka nag-boil lang ako ng egg. So, yan guys, kain lang ako ng lunch. And mamaya, punta na tayo sa school. Hi guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa school ni Zadkiel. So, today, 2:57. So, mamaya, mga 3 minutes, lalabas na sila. Hi. How is he? Yeah. Hold on one second. Okay. Hi. He's like, sorry. Thank you. How was your day in school? Was it good? We're gonna wear jackets soon, okay? You want mommy carry this for you? Is it heavy? How was day in school? How was your day in school? Was it fun? Huh? Did you have many classmates? It's chilly. It's cold. Hi guys! I survived! So, 2 school yung pinuntahan natin. Yung school ni Zadkiel. And then, after that, school naman ni Mercurion. So, magkaiba sila ng school. So, mabuti na lang, maayos lang naman yung way patungong the same school. At kahit nasa bago. Yan guys, wait. Green light na. Usap tayo mamaya. Day 1 school. Day 1 of school. Done. And mommy survived driving to the school. So, una nating pinick up si Zadkiel dahil yung kanyang dismissal time is 3. At saka, si Mercury naman is 3:15. So, we are home safe and sound. Yan, gutom. Gutom sila. So, binigyan ko sila ng gatas. Naganda ako ng gatas kasi umiinom pa sila ng tubig umiinom pa sila ng gatas sa kanilang bottles. Yan. So, mukhang nagutom silang dalawa at pagod. So, let us ask them. Boys, how was school? What did you do in school, Dad? What did you do in school, Dad? Oh my goodness. And then Mercurian. Mercurian, how was school? So, yun guys.